There's a squirrel! Holy shit! You wanna come inside?
Yeah, how about no?
I was like, what is he looking at?
Oh, there's another squirrel. Just ran away. Hey, mister.
Yeah, his face is funny. Look at that. Yeah, you have a wet tail, my friend. I know how you feel.
Really? You have a white tail too?
Yeah. Let's see if you wanna play? Here, play.
Is it gone?
Yeah, no, he's hopping over there now.
Oh. Oh, there it is. Bye, mister. What's wrong with it? I think it just doesn't want to be outside in the rain.
Well, that wouldn't be either. So, Cass, you want to be a squirrel too? Hey? Sara. Cass. Cass wants to be a squirrel too.
I think so. Your tail doesn't work.
Here, let's see if that works. No, it's working. It's not working here.
I think it would work if it wasn't claw. Claws. Spider cat. Spider cat.
Oh, you're a squirrel cat now. Well, you have the tail.
Not yet. Nero has the tail. What? I don't know what you want. Stop destroying stuff. Yeah, I know what you want. And why is the pumpkin on the floor? See what he's doing? Oh. Yes? Oh, that's the cat grass up there. And let's attack the brother. Uh-oh. Stop it. As you guys know, or already discovered in the description, there is a Facebook page called Heart of YouTube. The URL is facebook.com/heartofyt. This is the logo and so on. It's a little play button and a heart. And this is basically for the YouTube community. We want to feature channels that are not popular yet, that are up and coming, creators that are really awesome, or daily vloggers. We basically have a theme day every day. To give you an idea, we have Music Maker Monday, Tech and Geek Tuesday, Cuter Food Wednesday, Throwback Thursday, which is a pretty common thing. Oh, there's a H missing. Vlogger Friday or Vlog Friday, Shoutout Saturday, which is today, and Fun Sunday. Basically what we want to do is feature those who are, let's say, under 100,000 or under 50,000 or whatever. Just kind of to give you an idea who else is out there, who else is creating content like us. Like, I mean, Let's Press Record is there, daily vloggers like us. There are other like family channels, a lot of like those movies. Or here's another example. He has more subscribers now, but he started off small. He didn't even cook at the beginning, so he taught himself, and nowadays he was picked up by Jamie Oliver, by his network, and he is part of that now, so he's constantly growing. I discovered him because he was a pre-roll on one of our videos, and I was like, that guy is funny, so I commented on one of his videos, which was about German food, which he was tasting. My comment kind of got thumbed up, whatever, and people replied to it. I still get like thumbs up for that and replies, which is kind of... So yesterday we had daily vloggers, so we were looking for 5 daily vloggers under 10,000 subs, and we started featuring, for example, I don't know how it's pronounced actually, I think Tana, and he used to be a gamer, switched to Twitch. So he does his gaming videos there. This is just his daily vlog channel. I think he's in his 5th year. Yeah, he just completed 4 years, and those are the 4 cameras he used during the daily vlogs. So you can see they are used. Holy shit. Was this black at some point, and then yeah, the color came off, so it's silver again. I just discovered one Indiana Comic-Con, which is awesome. It's just like 2 hours away, but I created a group mainly for Game of Thrones people because, let me click on the event. Where are we? Here. Those are a couple of the guests that are coming. I mean, the photo ops are crazy expensive as always. It's like Carrie Fisher charges $75 for an autograph. That's nuts. And Jenna has 50 photo ops, like 50, but it's for 2 adults and kids and whatever. And we have Game of Thrones, Lord of the Rings, and so on and so on. So that's pretty awesome. If you go to my Facebook page, Sarah Parker's, with an S at the end, I probably linked the event and everything there, so you can just join the groups or just say like if you're going. Just leave me a comment, or you can join. Today is the major block of the Facebook stuff because we have a one Michigan group and Midwest, and we have a tri-state group, which is this one. This is basically including Kentucky. It's Indiana, Kentucky, and Ohio. I will be posting the event there too if you want to join that. If you're in this area and want to be part of this, please do so. You will find all of that actually over the Heart of YouTube because we are linking the groups and they're there. It's Saturday special.
I don't even have my shoes on yet, but my goodness, these things are bright, I can tell you that.
That's good.
Where are my shoes? Oh, they're my shoes. How is it possible that when you're sleepy, as soon as we put up the fence, you all of a sudden want to join us?
Because stuff is happening, he knows that.
Spider sense. Guess who got their asses beat today?
You did!
Well, both of us did. It was intense.
Yeah. Holy shit.
The Saturday special DVD part of it is pretty hard. Maybe it's just because the first time that we need to get used to it, but there are some parts in that just take too long for my muscles to endure.
It is for the next, what is it, 12 weeks in total?
Yeah, so I guess it's meant to kick your ass.
Yeah, because the other weeks vary, but the Saturday will always stay the same. So.
Yeah.
Hey, here, another one. I love those. We have to be creative. I want attention from people, so be like, hey,
I
awesome.
give you attention all the time. Look, I pet you now, and the kitties love you. That's attention.
He only does that on camera. He never touches me.
Yes, I do. I do it all the time. When you sleep, I'm just like, yes, my precious. Yes, my precious. While
Jurre is dragon slaying over there, we were making jokes like, oohoo, oohoo, because we heard a sound, and he's like, no, it's an owl. And I'm like, no, it's a oohoo, because in Germany we have a word called oohoo, which is not only clue, but also a bird. And it's part of the owls. I actually looked it up. It's part of the family of the owls of the original or the real owls. There are 2 types. There's one Schleiereule, which is I think just smaller, and the real owls, they're bigger, and part of that family is the uhu, or the scientific name is bubo bubo. I don't know how to pronounce it. Anyways, this is German obviously. Vögel means birds. Bird is singular, and Vogel is singular, and Vögel is plural. It's Eulen, it's from the order of the owls, it's from the family of the real owls, the race type is Uhu, and so on and so on. So, blah 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 blah. They talk about the whole thing, and what I find funny, it's basically, this is like our cats. It has fluffy ears. Let's see, it says fluffy ears. This is us, bigger and fluffy. If you click on the map, I thought he would have it too, but you see the Netherlands over there, that little tiny bit over there, they don't have it, and it's also not on or in the region of northern Germany, which is confusing to me. That's weird. So I'm from down there, from the middle, and it's there and all over to Asia. And now the German sentence. Der Uhu macht Uhu. Wait, I actually can make that sound. My dad taught me. And I can do it more. That is not real, I know. My hands have to try. I actually can't play melodies on it, but yeah, it's a bit weird. That's a bad idea. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. No. Oh no. I'm just curious if it's the water or the fishies. Don't. Don't. If you eat my fishy, I'm gonna murder you. Get off. I actually think it's the water. Kitty falling into the aquarium.
Yeah, that's what you get for jumping into it.
But Dad, I didn't jump into it, I fell.
Ugh, I know. Wet paw, wet ass.
But Mao.
But Mo. There's not even fishes in there. Here, go on the ground, make yourself dry because now my shirt is wet. Idiot.
Mission renewing the water of the fishies completed. And make it cat proof. Okay. I need 2 hands for that. Hey, mister.
What?
What do you have there?
Well, they're never going to find your body, but it's going to be silky smooth.
And colorful.
Yep.
Yay. Yeah, we left the house proof. I was just looking up a couple of words for a German-Dutch thing, and I have to say this Dutch one, again, it sounds like old German. And 2, it is way longer and it looks so much harder. I tell you the German one. I have no idea how to pronounce the Dutch one. We'll see if they can tell us. So the German one is Kartoffelpuffer. Kartoffel is potato and puffer. It's almost like your hash browns. Duh. This is how hash browns look like, and this is how our Kartoffelpuffer look like. We also do it with zucchini. Anyways, what I wanted to explain is we also have a word which is Erdapfel, which means soil potato. No, soil apple. It is a very old German word which we don't use, and the Dutch word actually still uses it. Aardappelpannenkoek. I don't know how to pronounce it. Let's see if the internet tells us. Well, we have a Dutch person downstairs. Hey, dictionary.
What?
I need a word from you. Can you pronounce it for me?
So what I've gathered is that you want me to pronounce aardappelpannenkoeken.
Yes.
Okay.
If that's the word, I'm pretty sure yes. It
Well,
sounded.
You said potato and pancakes together, so
Yes.
you have aardappel, which
Yeah.
is like one potato, and pannenkoeken, which is pancakes.
Yeah.
Aardappelpannenkoeken.
Thank you.